Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Apps Academy. In this video, I'm going to show you how to log into your retirement account with FedEx. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in ownyourfuture.vanguard.com and press enter. Now Vanguard manages the retirement and the 401k accounts for FedEx, so you will need to use this website. Now from this page, click on the login button and you will be taken into your retirement account login portal right away. Just type in your username that you have set up while creating your account within the username box and then enter your account password underneath within the password section. You can then click on the login button and you will be logged in to your retirement account with FedEx right away. In case you have forgotten your credentials, you can click on forgot your username or password option and you will be allowed to reset them right away. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to log into your retirement account with FedEx. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.